SpecOps is short for Specialist Operations, and it's a service we've created to support our customers' cloud-native program of change. We think SpecOps is needed because there are many challenges facing customers, many new technologies to master effectively, increased complexity, cloud-native services, and additional rigour and controls needed in cloud-native services. We provide a core 24/7 support service for any BlakYaks approved cloud-native platform, plus optional access to our BlakYaks squads on a retainer basis to provide a smooth transition between engineering and operations, and offers our customers a backlog delivered in sprints. BlakYaks SpecOps is different because it closes gaps we see in traditional managed services, keeping platforms evergreen, performant and secure by delivering the right mix of SRE and ITIL practices. Our SpecOps service outcomes include stable, performance and cost optimised platforms, highly secure and compliant workloads, and real-time cloud asset management and reporting. The SpecOps service can be individually tailored to customer needs and goals. We gather business requirements and assess platform readiness to quickly onboard and start working alongside customer teams.